Alright, we just got finished up with this yard. There was that tree that we cut down. But I forgot to get a whole view. But oh my god, it is so much better. So, in Albuquerque. Yo, what up? Good morning, YouTube. Hope you guys enjoyed those clips of that last house that we did yesterday. It was a really big job, about 5 hours. We started at 11 and we ended at 5, but we had an hour lunch break. And I don't know, all this dust and all this stuff is just getting to my head. So one thing I learned is I need to wear a mask when I do this kind of job. But this morning, I'm gonna meet Lefty and one of our clients here at Lowe's. And we're gonna be doing another fence job, another gate job. Actually, it's a fence job, not a gate job. So I'm meeting him there, and we're picking out the right gates, the straight ones, and then we're gonna get started. This is gonna be a 2-day job, so we'll be working for 2 days over here. Yep. I have the ugliest pants in the world. There she goes. McDonald's has become our favorite place to eat. No, no, no! Look like you need help there. You good or are you good?
No.
You got it? Because earlier you were asking me for help. Don't let it fall on you. Bam! In the words of Xiao Xiao, Hulk mash. Alright. So what we're doing is we're gonna never mind this whole square right here, because it's supposed to come this way then back out this way. What we suggested was that we remove this railroad tie and then just make them come along right there. Make them join forces right there. So that's exactly what we're doing. So it'll have a little flow like this rather than going in and then making a square and back this way. Oh, it's real soft on this side. Stick one of the new ones there. Give your man hands later on. It's not that. That's not what you have. Just kidding. Alright, these ones are the new poles that we got. These bad boys right here. Alright, so I'm not really recording everything that's going on, but letting you guys know that we are almost finished. We're dealing with this whole tree situation here, but we've got it figured out. We know how we're gonna do it. The other person have no idea what the hell they were doing, but we got the hole dug right here next to the tree. Now we just gotta bury it, and then we're gonna add one last one right here, and then we'll be officially done. So that's the update. So get the hell off my back. All right, everyone. We have finished the gate repair. Finished that side, all the way this way, this way. It's got a pretty cool little slant right there, and then the wall goes all the way down. Does that look good? What's that?
Seal there now.
Yeah.
Because if you don't seal it, the board will buckle.
Nah, she just got the pre-made ones. They're already pre-made.